There you go, and here we go again at the outlet trying to buy something. Gonna buy shoes today.
Outlet.
This is outlet located in Carlsbad.
Tingnan nyo na lang kung anong mga brand ang nandyan.
Drive. Look for parking.
Natapat pa tayo sa Michael Kors.
There you go. There's the parking right there.
Tingin-tingin lang ng mga clearance.
Michael Kors. Am I going to Michael Kors today?
Oh.
Yan.
Yeah,
go.
I end up
Ready
at the
for,
outlet. I was gonna look
this,
for some
shopping.
clearances. I was about to go to DMB today. Anyway, today is Monday of
I'm gonna go
January
for
the 20th.
Few months.
And
let's go.
yeah, it's Martin Luther Day in here in America right now.
Mahilig po talaga ako.
So I didn't realize that it's Martin Luther Day.
Saan tayo?
I thought DMB was closed because, yeah, instead of going to the DMB to do some paperwork, I end up at the outlet and I was like, why is it like a lot of people in here? It's Martin Luther Day today, so I'll try to show you the outside of the outlet. I don't know if establishment will. It's actually located in near Strawberry Fields in Carlsbad, and it's an outlet. So yeah, there's a lot of outlet in here where you can find famous brand of apparel, bags, Yeah, see that's Polo. There's Michael Kors. Dito po nagaganap ang mga gastusan ng mga tao. May coach dito. Yun, Volcom, Harley at saka Puma. Doon tayo sa Puma pupunta. Yan, check natin sa Puma kung meron bang mga clearance. Yan. Pupunta ko dito, clearance kagad. Jacket, $29. Ito ang gusto kong puntahan, yung mga clearances. Mga clearance yan, mga open box na ba. So nakakuha po tayo ng tag 120 is ko lang 69, tapos yung isa 80, naging 36 something. Size 10 naman, pero ayos lang. Tingnan na lang natin. Tagal na rin akong di bumili ng sapatos eh. Ganun talaga ako bumili, dire-diretso. Alright, we're done with your shopping. This is only like clearance. I like the prices. I always go with the clearance. This is just Puma. So dalawa ang nabili ko. Dito ang isa sa ilalim. Sandali. Ito yung isa, medyo mahal, puti pa. Ay nako, pero okay lang yan kasi matagal na akong di nakakabili ng sapatos. So ito pong ating susuotin pag nasa Pilipinas na tayo. Magiging mukhang kwanto, madudumihan to doon. So size 10 lang naman ang nakuha ko. So ayan po, natapos na tayo sa outlet. Ako pag nag shopping ako, dire-diretso talaga. Hindi ako umiikot-ikot kagaya ng babae. Direct to the point. Kung anong kailangan, jubilhin, pak, alis kagad. Ganon. Pang. Anyway, subscribe and comment and share please for more videos. I'm trying to improve myself actually. Bye guys, thank you so much.